If insulins confuse you, I have the easiest memory trick to help you remember these and never get them wrong on your exam. All right, so here are different types of insulins. We've got rapid, short, intermediate, and long. Here you have to know the onset, when does it start working, the peak, when does it hit its peak, when is it working the best, and the duration. Here's how to do it. All right, you're gonna start with rapid. Rapid is fast, so this is gonna start in 15 minutes. You're gonna multiply it times 2, and we get 30 minutes for our short. Multiply it times 2, we get 60 minutes for intermediate. Multiply it times 2, and we get 120 minutes for our long. Same goes here for the peak. We're gonna start rapid with 1 hour. Multiply it by 2, you're gonna get 2 to 4 hours. Multiply this times 2, 4 to 8 hours for intermediate. Now, long-acting insulins do not have a peak because they give us a little bit over a long period of time, so there's no peak. Duration, same concept. 3 hours for rapid. How long does it last? That's what duration is. Multiply by 2, we get 6. Multiply 2, you get 24. Or 12, sorry. Multiply by 2, you get 24. All right? So every time you're going to multiply by 2, it's going to give you your next box. Now, how do I remember what goes in what? You have rapid acting. This is quick. There is no lag. It happens very fast. You're going to remember lag. There's no lag here. Lispro, Aspart, and our glutamine, okay? Our short acting, all right, short acting is going to be otherwise known as our regular insulin, regular insulin. So these are going to have R's behind them because they are regular. Novolin, R. Atropine, R. Humulin, R. They're all regular. You can't miss those. All right, next is our intermediate. These are all going to have N's. NPH, Novolin, N. Humulin, N, because they are intermediate. Last one is our long acting. You got Lelavimir, Lelalantis, and Lelalente. Okay, super easy, all right? Any questions on this? Watch it a couple times so you can make sure you've got it, but this will be super easy. Now, keep in mind, these are averages, so don't come at me in the comments and say, my book said something else exactly for... Yeah, I know, Janice. Okay, I know it said something else. Okay, these are your averages to help you get these right on the exams and to help you remember the mean or the average of what you're going to see here. All right, I will be doing a drug a day, so be sure to follow along and check out my playlist on my page for, you'll see drugs, diseases, ABGs, anything that you could need. Check out the playlist there.